Here goes Mitch hitting the ball. Here goes Dakota hitting the ball. Oh shoot! Mitch with the ball. He hit it. Dakota with the ball. He hit it. Ah! You suck, Mitch. Oh shoot, sexy! Show him your sexiness, Mitch.
Sexy already.
Okay. Ooh, sexy! It's the doll right here, man. Fuck you, man. Hate your ass, bro. Dakota. Oh shit! Oh, not me, man. What the fuck? Don't hit me. Don't hit me. I'm gonna tag you though. I'm gonna tag you to your Facebook. Dakota mixtape highlight right here. Mixtape. The Asian against the white kid. Damn. So mad, so angry.
Fuck you, man.
Kid got skills. Kid got skills. Bring it on, baby. Oh shit, okay. Okay. Damn. Hey, how about me, man? Ooh! Ooh! Serena Williams in the house. Oh! He got hit in the nuts. Ball hitter. Was that serve in? Was that serve in? Oh shit. How about me, man? I want to hit. I want to see myself hitting. Yeah. Hey, come on, man. Rest a bit. Rest for a bit.